The Jensen J1CA8FL Car Stereo features an impressive 8-inch high-resolution touchscreen that offers a responsive and user-friendly interface, making navigation through your favorite media a breeze. With Apple CarPlay integration, this stereo allows you to seamlessly connect your iPhone, giving you the ability to use Siri for navigation, calls, texts, and music, all while keeping your focus on the road. This car stereo also supports Android Auto, providing a voice-controlled interface that enhances safety by minimizing distractions, complemented by its large touchscreen and superior audio quality. Built-in Bluetooth capability ensures easy pairing with most devices, allowing for hands-free calls, music streaming, and access to your phonebook, which enhances the overall driving experience. The Jensen J1CA8FL is versatile in installation, compatible with both single and double DIN setups, and comes with a 3-year warranty upon registration, providing peace of mind to users. The stereo includes front and rear camera inputs, USB playback, and charging capabilities, making it a comprehensive multimedia hub for your vehicle.